So this center is very strategic, national and regional asset, serving the entire coast region and other parts of Kenya. And that's why we have agreed with the governor of Mombasa, governor of Garissa, and governor of Nakuru that a critical component of this machine is how we can protect that investment. These machines are very expensive. The companies that brought these machines will service these machines 24/7 so that there is no patient who will wait in the queue because the machine is down. The governor and the county government will take care of all the other accessories, and we will not allow any multi-million shilling machine to sit down idle while our patients suffer. So we are also telling the vendors, the suppliers, to make sure their engineers and their technicians are around. This month is a National Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, and that's why deliberately I've come to Mombasa and met my brother, the governor. Cervical cancer is a leading cause of cancer-related deaths in Kenya, yet it's preventable. We are resolving operational bottlenecks, such as the shortage of the equipment, the applicators, the imaging reagents, through a pool procurement and improved planning through KEMSA, so that we ensure no woman is turned away because those items are missing. As we combat the cancer scourge in our country, we must also protect the foundation of our nation. That is the mother and the child. And that is why both the county governments and the national government, led by the president, we are committed to make sure that no mother dies in any health facility in our country. We, on health financing reforms, you are aware the Social Health Authority has enhanced the oncology benefit package now from the 550 to 800,000 per patient or per household. This is a very historic move, and this is to protect our families from the catastrophic spending that has historically driven many of them into poverty following when they are diagnosed with cancer. Governor, I am very happy that every day close to 70 patients pass through this regional center. With the extra machine, now that will double to about 140. So we are going to work together to make sure that we protect our citizens. And I am very happy that Garissa, Nakuru, and Mombasa regional cancer centers now are operational. They are supporting our referral systems, hospitals, Kenyatta Hospital, Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. You are dealing with a very critical, with your team, the CEC, the CEO of Coast General and Referral and Teaching Hospital. You are doing a good team. I always tell doctors that you'll get blessings from Allah. What you are doing, don't look at the salary you are getting. You are getting something better. You are saving lives, you are treating patients, our nurses, our healthcare workers, and we will always make sure that we take care of your needs.